Hello everyone, this is my review of the BISSELL Crosswave Pet Pro. It's a great vacuum cleaner for cleaning up after your pets, like this one right here. It's a wet, dry vacuum cleaner that can clean your carpets and hardwood floors. You can see the reservoir where you put your liquids into right here. Let's spin it around and let me show you the controls on the top. Here you have your two buttons for switching between hardwood floors and wood. You can see the brushes there spinning, and it picks up hair, and it does really good and traps it in the apartment in the front. I'll show you that later. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you the front. Okay, you can press down here and pull out, and you remove the dirt collector, and you can see all the dirt in there. So that works pretty good. And it snaps right back in. I also want to show you here that you press this button here while you're holding here to release the fluids. I hope this review helps.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.